Hello everyone, how's it going? Today we are looking at the 10 years of ownership of my Lincoln Town Car. We are sitting in it right now, going for a ride, and just a couple moments I'll tell you all about the last 10 years, the good, the bad, what was replaced, what's not been replaced, and the rest. So hang in there, I'll find a nice little spot to park, and we'll have a look at that. And look, there's a Cadillac right there. Yes, there's a couple guys on my channel that will be happy to see that. Okay guys, I'll find a spot to park here in the snow. Alright, here we are. Look at this beautiful lake here. Cold day. Lake is frozen. Isn't that nice? Unfortunately, I was afraid to get stuck on the unplowed small parking lot, so I parked right down there. You see the car? I'll go for a short walk and then we'll go back and I'll tell you about the 10 years of ownership. Here we are. So I bought this car in 2012, so in a couple of weeks it will be the 10-year anniversary that I got it. The car was built in 07. The first owner was in Florida, and then I bought the car from the owner in Florida, and I kind of bought it kind of blind, which was obviously pretty not very smart to do so, but I really wanted one, and I knew Panta platform cars and I knew what to look for, and I just trusted the videos and the pictures I saw, and I bought the car and had it shipped here all the way to Utah. The car had only 16,000 miles back then, which was great, and I knew not much could have happened. It was accident free except for one little dent that I will show you, and when the car got here it was exactly the way it was supposed to look. Everything was good on it, nothing was broken, scratch, damaged. It was almost like a brand new vehicle. So what have I done over the last 10 years? Honestly, let's start with the maintenance. I've done the oil changes, obviously, tire rotations, everything that needs to be done according to Lincoln Ford. I bought one set of new tires. Bought them at discount tire. They're the ones that are on them now. I have to change the tires again. I think I'm still okay with these, but they're aging now, and I want something different, so I'll probably buy some new tires along the road. So I bought that. I bought 2 batteries. The battery it came with wasn't very good, and it failed shortly after I got it, so I bought a new one, and I wanted to test a Walmart battery. I thought I'd buy the cheapest they have. So I went and I bought the cheapest Walmart battery they got, and I put that in, pulled the sticker off so nobody knows it's from Walmart, and it was good for I don't know, I think it was maybe 3 years or 4. No, maybe 3 years, maybe 4, and then that failed also. So I went to Ford and bought a Ford brand battery, and I know they're good and the warranty is good, and that one will last me. So that's what I did. I had the air conditioner, the AC, refilled. Not a big deal. I mean, probably the first owner, he probably used it a lot because he was down in Florida where it's pretty warm. So I had that refilled. I tinted the windows. As you can tell, they were not tinted when I got the vehicle, so windows got tinted. Everything else is still, the seats are good, nothing is worn, the mats are still the original ones, haven't changed those. Let's pop the hood. We'll see if we find something to talk about under the hood. Did you ever notice this handle here? When you pop the hood, this handle pops up. It kind of looks like a knife handle, like if someone would stab the vehicle, doesn't it? Kind of funny. Okay, pull up on the handle. Here we go. There you see the battery. One from Ford that I bought. That's a good battery. I like the Ford products, obviously. Close the hood. Okay, let me show you the little dent the car always had. Let me find it. Can't remember on which side it is. It's by the mirror. Let's see. See, it's so minor I can't even find it now. Okay, here we go. See that little dent right there? Right there. Depending on how you look at the vehicle, you can't tell. You can tell where it is, and so I'm just gonna leave it. If you know where it is, of course you can tell, and you will always see it, but I'm just gonna leave it in. So there was one thing that happened to the car though. I just had it for a couple of months, and we were in a parking lot at the movie theater. I came back out, and there was a long scratch along the door right here. Thankfully someone left me a note with the license plate of the guy who did it and who did not stop, who just ran away. And after a long back and forth with the insurance, I got it fixed, and it looks great. I can't even tell where it was. They did a great job. So one little piece of damage there, not bad. I won't complain about that. So that's the town car. 10 years of ownership, no problems at all. I drove it several times on long trips to California, to Montana. Drove just fine. Mechanically it's perfect. The wheels, the chrome flakes a little bit, but I think most of them have that. I think one of my doors is sagging a tiny bit now, which I do not like, and I'll have to look into that and find out how to adjust that. Maybe someone knows and can tell me. Yeah, so all in one, a good car, and I can only recommend it. Let's look at the wheels. Can you tell? Right there. They are flaking. Right there. But man, look at the calipers. There's no rust behind there. And that's another thing. Since this vehicle here came from California, I say, no, from Florida, there's no rust on the vehicle. It's rust-free underneath. The undercarriages has no rust at all, and that was important for me when I bought it, that I buy a vehicle that's rust-free, so that I don't have one that will cause me issues in the long run. Even if it's not my daily driver, I still want one that's nice and that will last for a long time, because I'm not planning on selling this vehicle anytime soon. If I think I will not sell it ever. as of now, of course, you know, things change in life, and stuff might change, and maybe I'll have to sell it or want to sell it and get something new. As for my other vehicles, I for sure will not keep them forever, and I'll probably buy something new. So keep a look on the channel for that. The Mustang, the Shelby GT350, I'll probably keep that forever. But all of the other cars, I think we'll have to look for something else sometime. Will it be this year, next year? That I don't know. Until then, let me know how your town cars hold up, and